like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to EDUNOM MEDIA, India's trusted education channel which keeps you updated with all the details related to education. Today's biggest news is the West Bengal government has said that it will open 5 new medical colleges in 2019. Government sources said as many as 100 medical seats each will be available in these colleges. The state presently has 2,600 medical seats. They will come up at Diamond Harbour, Purulia, Rampurhat, Raiganj and Coach Behar. This is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel EDUNOM Media, and if you have any doubts or queries related to education, kindly comment down below. Join us again on the next episode. Till then, from the entire team of EDUNOM Media, have a great day.
Kindly like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.